Hi guys, good morning from beautiful sunny Mazatlan where it's beautiful, it's sunny, it's going to be 27 degrees today. Oh, it's nice out. Uh, I just got off the phone with Scotiabank, believe it or not, for about the 15th friggin' time. And oh, so they sent the first card. The first card came DHL. DHL asked me for my Canadian passport number and my CURP number, which is a Mexican ID number, and then just never gave it to Mexican Customs for some unknown reason. And Mexican Customs sent the first card back. So Scotiabank sent another card. Then I found out they put it in regular mail. I said, well, that might come in July. So they canceled that card and they sent a third card. And the third card was this one that was supposed to come on Monday, and they sent it to the wrong country. They sent it to an address in Capelé, New Brunswick, which I use very infrequently. And it's actually my friend's address, and she might only check that maybe once a month. She has a little house out there she rents out, and when she goes and I don't know, collects your rent or whatever, she goes and checks that mailbox. So, of course, neither one of us knew something was being sent there, and it never got checked. So I got that canceled today, and they're sending a fourth card, which should be here next Monday. Oh my God. Oh, it's like watching a Saturday Night Live or John Cleese skit. It's like, how could Scotiabank be such a cluster? It's just unbelievable. In the meantime, except for the gracious help from some friends, I wouldn't have a cent, not a peso. And I've been waiting since February 16th. Never did I imagine when my card was compromised and Scotiabank says, oh, we'll cancel it and send you a new one, that a month later, or almost a month later, I'd still be waiting for it. Oh my God, what a freaking nightmare. Anyway, the young lady today online, she was great. She was one of the best I've spoken to there. And she said, oh my God, what a comedy of errors. And I said, no kidding. So anyway, she's going to try and get me another one. Let's see. Cross your fingers. Say your prayers. I say mine. Oh my God. Guys, thank you for watching. Bye for now.